Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. This is a bit of an unusual video about French tongue twisters, and I've ordered them in 3 levels: easy-ish, expert and downright impossible. Let's have a look. Start with the first level. Easy-ish because it's not that easy. When you look at that sentence, you may be wondering how to read it. Now, if you read it at speed, which is the idea with tongue twisters, it's ton t'est-il au t'est-à-tout. So let's do that a bit more slowly. Ton t'est, t'a-t-il, au t'est-à-tout. And if you absolutely want to know what it means, here it is. It's just an approximate translation because obviously the choice of words in this is supposed to rhyme all with each other, and it doesn't work when you translate. The next one. Des billes, des balles, des boules, des quilles. So you've got to remember here that the I-double-L is I, A-double-L, al, O-U-L, ul, and again you've got the I. So bille, balle, boule, quille. The next one, I really like it, it's one of my favorites. Un bon chasseur doit savoir chasser sans son chien. There's a lot of ch and se in that one. Let's do it a bit faster. Un bon chasseur doit savoir chasser sans son chien. Which basically means a good hunter must be able to hunt without his dog. But it's not so much what it means that's the issue, it's actually how to say it. Let's move on to expert level. This one's interesting. It's almost the same sound throughout. Si près, si sans si sans si près. So here's what it means. It's equally mind-boggling in English, so don't sweat it, just try and say it for fun, really. This one's actually my favorite. Because of what it sounds at speed, it sounds almost incomprehensible. So let me show you at speed and then we'll slow down and then I'll show you how to say it. T'adoris, t'adora. T'adoris, t'entends, t'adora, tenter. T'adoris, t'entends, tenta, t'adora, tenter. T'adora, tenter, tata, t'adoris, t'entends. Okay, so it sounds like gobbledygook. It's actually got a meaning, which is underneath. But let's read that a bit slower. T'adoris, t'adora. T'adoris, t'entends, t'adora, tenter. T'adoris, t'entends, tenta, t'adora, tenter. T'adora, tenter, tata, t'adoris, t'entends. And there you have it. If you can do this one, well done to you. Here's your impossible level. And the first one is a tongue twister that French people love getting foreigners to repeat, just so they can laugh at them. So do me a favor, prepare it before you go to France, and when people come out with it, you can just reel it out. Les chaussettes de l'archiduchesse sont-elles sèches? Oui, archi-sèches. Which means, it's a bit rubbish, but there you go. Are the Archduchess socks dry? Yes, extra dry. The next one is along the same lines, it's a ch and a se tongue twister. Choisissons ces saucisses au chou et sachons saisir ces anchois séchés. Nearly tripped there. It's really hard. Anchois séchés is the bit that's really hard. So here's for the meaning. You see how they pluck 1 or 2 sounds and then they play on it at speed, which is basically what every language does. But having said that, I've not just created these videos just so you can have a laugh. It's actually brilliant practice for your language learning as well. And it would really help. I remember when I learned English, practicing tongue twisters in English, because they were impossible and I thought, no, I've got to master this. They can say it, so no reason why I can't say it. And I got there in the end. It just took ages. That's it for today. Like this video if you've enjoyed it, and please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you in the next one. À bientôt!